Are you wondering what the best flooring for your home is? Don't worry, today we're breaking it all down to help you make the perfect choice for your home. We're going to rate the most popular flooring options based on these three categories: price, durability, and style. And we will also let you know which option is best if you have young children or pets. First, let's talk about hardwood flooring. There are three different types of hardwood flooring. First, you have the unfinished solid hardwood, where we install it unfinished and then we sand and stain it inside your home. Second, we have the engineered hardwood flooring option. So this is a big sample of a 7-inch by 60 inches long engineered hardwood flooring. Hardwood flooring is one of the more expensive options, but it will increase your home's value the most. I would say the hardwood floors look amazing and they will make your home look beautiful. However, if you have young children or pets, hardwoods might not be the best option for you. It's much easier to scratch than other flooring options, and it can also swell or buckle when there is moisture or water spilled on the floor. Overall, it gets a 9 out of 10. Next up, we have laminate. This is one of our laminate samples here. As you can see, these are 8 inches by 56 inches long, and it has a beautiful wood look. Laminate has come a very long way from where it was 10 years ago. It is my personal favorite, and it is the flooring I have in my personal home. Laminate is also more affordable than hardwood flooring, and if you have pets or children, laminate is going to be the best option for you. It's not only the most scratch-resistant option, but it is also waterproof. The Mohawk Redwood Laminate collection has the best designs I've seen so far. It's very stylish and it has a very similar look to hardwood flooring. Laminate gets a 10 out of 10 for me. Let's move on to LVP flooring. Here's a sample of LVP flooring 7 by 48 inches long with a medium tone color. Luxury vinyl plank flooring is a vinyl product that is usually made out of plastic or PVC materials. Most often, a good quality LVP will be about the same price or more expensive than a laminate floor. If you have pets or children, LVP is also going to be a great option for you. It is very scratch resistant and waterproof. There are many styles of LVP flooring that look great. However, LVP floors don't have the same wood look and feel as laminate floors do. They are usually a third of the thickness of laminate floors, so they don't provide as much comfort as a laminate floor does. Luxury vinyl plank gets an 8 out of 10. Finally, the last flooring we will take a look at is carpet. Here's a sample of one of the softest carpets that we have. It is also a stain-proof carpet that we offer. Carpet is the most affordable option we've looked at, which is great for someone with a limited budget who still wants to renew their home. If you have children, carpet might be the better option for you because of the comfort level and softness it offers. However, carpet is more prone to stains, so it's usually not the best option if you have pets. But if you still want to get carpet, we have some stain and pet-proof carpet options that would be a great option for you, ensuring that if you have a stain or an accident on the carpet, it could easily be removed. Carpet has a wide variety of options and styles, from different thicknesses, plushness, patterns, and colors. Carpet gets 8 out of 10. After taking everything into consideration, I will recommend which option is best for you based on your situation. If budget is not a concern for you, definitely go with a beautiful engineered white plank hardwood floor or a premium laminate floor. But if you're looking for a low-cost option, go with carpet. And if you're concerned about damage from pets and children, go with a laminate floor. So now that you know which flooring is best for you, click here to learn how much each option really costs.